Duterte crime family. Duterte crime family. Yung anak niya na drug lord, o baka ngayon nagtutulog-tulugan naman ho.
The former president and his war on drugs never complied with the requirements of due process.
And Congresswoman Luistro, you have 10 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I wish to direct my question to the former president. Inorderan niyo po itong sinalas Cañas na bombahin ang mga moske, kasama po ang Camamara Mosque at Bancorehan Mosque.
Secretariat, can you please play the video? May I also remind our lawyer friends of the former president to please...
I did it because I had to do it for my country. Hindi nila na ginawa mo. Kaya yung sa Brumoy, umubos ko talaga.
Sir President, Mr. Chair.
I did it because I had to do it for my country.
That's it?
I reiterate this statement.
The former president said that he reiterates the statement he made in that video.
With that, Mr. Chair, then I humbly believe that the former president and his war on drugs never complied with the requirements of due process. Given these statistics, Mr. Chair, this is almost or around 31,000 victims of war on drugs. If indeed they follow the requirement of due process, wala po dapat ganito karaming patay. At ang dapat, maraming kaso na pending in court.
He has not been invited as a resource person and therefore has no right to speak. Has no right to speak.
Bawal po pumalakpak dito kung gusto niyo pumalakpak doon kayo sa labas. Bawal po pumalakpak dito kung gusto niyo pumalakpak doon kayo sa labas. Doon kayo sa labas. Maaari ba?
This statement of my colleague betrays her ignorance. She is a congressman. She knows the rules. However, your statement or your statements betray your ignorance of our rules here in this House of Congress. So I beg to disagree, Mr. Chair, na sila lang ang nakikipaglaban at marunong makipaglaban sa kalaban.
Kung meron kayong gustong paimbita, mag-attend kayo ng hearing. Hindi yung a-attend kayo kapag andito lang ang dating Pangulo, ang ating Vice Presidente. Umattend kayo. Gusto ko lamang pong liwanagin na wala hong may monopolyo sa pagmamahal sa bayan dito. Hindi kayo, hindi kami. Pare-parehas tayo nagmamahal sa bayan. Pare-parehas tayo nagseserbisyo eh. Diba? Huwag niyo sabihin mas magaling kayo. Dahil kami, hindi naman namin sasabihin magaling kami. Pero kung pagmamahal sa bayan, pare-parehas tayo. Huwag niyong sosolohin, Dema. Mr. Cardema, ito reminder lamang po. Dito sa committee ito, hindi niyo po pwedeng itaunt, palakpakan, o insultuhin kahit sino. Paalala lang yan. That the next time gawin mo yan, baka ikaw ang magsisi. Baka ikaw ang magsisi. Baka ikaw ang
We go a long way.
I will hand to you the 1 million.
Point of order, Mr. Chairman.
Before this.
Point of order, Mr. Chairman.
What is the rule that was violated? What is the point of order of Congressman Paduan?
The former president is speaking without the recognition of the chairman. And please, Mr. President, former president, you know the rules. It was read by Chairman Acop. And being a former congressman, you know the internal rules. Let the members of this committee finish the question before answering. That's my first point of order, Mr. Chairman. And I hope the former President understand.
Nakalimutan
The
ko
rules.
na yun. Yung rules na yun.
Oh, now, I now want you.
Hindi
Pinapaalala ko po.
I'm not,
Now again,
I am
Mr.
not-
Chairman. Chairman,
Hearing suspended.
the former President is
Hearing
speaking.
suspended.
Just so that we can put to rest this issue of waivers, because it's been going back and forth. Will the former president be okay that if we draft the waiver now, that it be signed today instead of tomorrow? Will you be fine with that, Mr. President?
Anong kapalit, sir?
Hindi,
Sampalin ko siya sa publiko.
hindi, wala naman.
Hindi, ngayon na.
Wala pong ganunan.
Mr. Chairman.
I'll give you, no. Sampalin ko sa
Mr. Chairman.
Session suspended.
Mahayas. Mahayas. Sabi
Please observe proper decorum. We are in a committee hearing. We have already stressed from the very beginning that the proper rules, decorum, will be implemented regardless of who you are. Regardless of who you are. We live by a set of rules in this committee, and those set of rules will be followed, and those set of rules will be implemented.
Nakita nyo po kanina nung sinabi ni Chairman Suarez na kung pwede siyang pumirma, ano hong ginawa niya, nang gulo siya, no? Pero baka pwedeng ibalik natin dun sa issue na pipirma siya ng waiver. O baka ngayon, nagtutulog-tulugan naman ho. So, pwede po natin papirmahin ng waiver pa rin. Yes.
Senator Trillanes, we'll get to that item later. So,
file na. Dispense with the investigation, file the case in court.
Darating po tayo dyan, Mr. Chairman. Pero ito po, no, buti nga yung anak niya na drug lord, at saka yung ano niya, son-in-law
That
ay...
would be,
ano,
I take exception to that statement, Mr. Chair.
Please,
It is not fair. And
it's my opinion.
mischievous
It's my
statement.
opinion. Ikaw nga, pinapapatay mo yung mga suspected.
Session suspended.
Wala ka na. Wala ka na. Wala ka na.